Handaki laiba Mars hasigi Tula Rashi Guina, Tarot card reading Hapetang Tose, Tarot card reading and a hierarchy guidance like a qua Hadisina Kogi Tula Rashi go. Handaki Marse, Kari Lake, Hapato Hapetang some ying seco. Sidala is a co Tabapudi, Tabaksu Laibudi lay, Larago Lay no co had competitions, Yam labor or in over the Tabak Matam, the Amana Amagi Haitara competitions like any challenges like any co other competitions later su might okay high consider I shungam they are deco aina hen they are deco hina kalaga ko the might of a luina bibasilaseco Kake no high taraco mayamna kanbaga aina kanbo wakanze manarogomka Adi laiba potse cards and see matungina haragati I get thoughts I know high ideas a tongale mayam the luina mako aduduna high get thoughts I get ideas a peasant implement or raga canoto tabak biba matamda Keno gani ko hadi profit laigani ko thabak taw matamda profit laigani success laigani ko sida even mina bhawbol laina ko khangbi bo oibudo aina tawriba kholiba mayam se ko silai se ko ado competitions laigani hadi aigi wakhan katang hadi mayam dagi unique oibanina hadi angon da success su yam phazana piri ko sisina ko gi Tula Rashi gi oina Mars Thagi tarot card reading